of Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia. Delhi BJP workers have gathered there to demand his resignation following the recommendation for CBI inquiry by the LG office against excise police policy implemented by the Delhi government. All right, so that is a protest that is taking place outside the residence of Deputy CM Manish Sisodia. The BJP holding a dharna outside the Deputy CM's house, and AAP, of course, saying that this is a ploy to defame the government. Yesterday, Adesh Gupta is currently speaking. Let's listen in. All right. As you can see, those protests are currently underway. Kejriwal yesterday had said that this is the central government's new strategy to, in fact, first arrest and then investigate. And then let's listen in to what Adesh Gupta is speaking currently.
देखिए, दिल्ली में अरविंद केजरीवाल सरकार के शराब नीति के खिलाफ यहाँ पर हम लोग यहाँ पर सड़कों पर आए हुए हैं। मैं अरविंद केजरीवाल से सवाल पूछना चाहता हूँ, आखिर कौन सी मजबूरी है कि वो शराब माफिया को फायदा पहुँचाने के लिए कैबिनेट की अप्रूवल की जरूरत भी नहीं समझते हैं। बिना कैबिनेट अप्रूवल के 144 करोड़ रुपया उनको माफ कर देते हैं। 30 करोड़ टेंडर की अर्नेस्ट मनी को फोरफिट करना चाहिए, वो डिपॉजिट उनका वापस करते हैं। 50 रुपए प्रति केस उनको बियर पर इम्पोर्ट ड्यूटी नियम की उल्लंघन करके समाप्त करते हैं। क्यों वो 21 ड्राइडे से घटाकर 3 किए हैं? क्यों उन्होंने शराब माफिया को फायदा पहुंचाने के लिए उनका 2.5% से बढ़ाकर 12.5% कमीशन किया? ये सारे वो सवाल हैं जो शराब माफिया को हजारों करोड़ रुपए जो फायदा पहुंचाने का काम केजरीवाल सरकार ने किया है, और इन सब का जिम्मेदार, इन सब का मुख्य भ्रष्टाचारी मंत्री जो मनीष सिसोदिया है, उनको बर्खास्त करना चाहिए। इस डिमांड के साथ हम लोग यहाँ पर हैं।
सर, आप लोग प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं। Workers have gathered outside the residence of Deputy CM against the new excise policy which was introduced by the Delhi government. Now what we do know is that the LG has given the recommendation for the CBI to conduct the inquiry against the new excise policy. So these are the visuals we are showing you from outside the residence of AB 17 Mathura Road. He is the minister in charge of the excise policy in the national capital, and the allegation against him is that he provided undue advantages to the liquor barons currently operational in the national capital, and also many of the procedural lapses along with the violations took place when the new excise policy was implemented in the national capital. So these are the workers of the Bharatiya Janata Party and the LOP. The leader of opposition, Rambir Singh Vidhudi, is also here. Many of the MLAs of Bharatiya Janata Party, along with other local leaders of the national capital, Delhi unit of BJP, they have gathered here in huge numbers.
दिल्ली के स्कूल ठीक नहीं किए, देश के करोड़ों बच्चों को
Arvind Kejriwal continues because the Delhi LG has recommended a CBI probe into the Aam Aadmi Party's excise policy. Now, this policy went into effect last November and issued retail licenses to private bidders for 849 vends across 32 zones of the city. Now, the BJP alleging that the AAP has taken quid pro quo and taken kickbacks, and also alleging that they've given more concessions to the liquor body and not so many concessions when it comes to the COVID authorities, in fact. And now we're going across to our colleague Nikhil Lakhwani, who's on the ground bringing us more. Nikhil, you're there at the scene of the protest. What are the demands of the people? Are they asking for the arrest of Deputy CM Manish Sisodia?